Welcome. Today's recipe is cheese corn sandwich. First take out the kernels from the corn cob, then cook it in steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, transfer this into a bowl. With this, add half chopped onion, half chopped capsicum, and 1 chopped tomato. Then add quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and quarter teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix it well. Now the stuffing is ready. You can make 4 sandwich with this. Let's prepare the butter for applying on the bread. Take 20 grams of butter in a small bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili flakes, and a pinch of pepper powder. Blend it together. You can use the raw butter itself, but this will enhance the taste of the sandwich. Now take any 2 slices of bread. I have taken multi-grain bread slices. Spread the butter at one side on each bread slices. Now keep the butter side at bottom. Keep the cheese on the top of the bread. Add some chili flakes. Then add the corn mixture over the cheese. Now close with the other slice of bread. Now heat the dosa pan and place the sandwich. Cook for few minutes in both the sides. If you overcook the bread, it will burn immediately. So please check the brown color and take it once the color turns as brown. Now the cheese corn sandwich is ready. If you like the recipe, please share with your friends. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.